We have been getting numerous calls, messages, emails asking about this caregiver program that has been announced by Mark Miller maybe 2 days ago. We do not have any particulars of this program yet because the program guide is yet to be issued by immigration. We're not sure what the program requirements are going to be. Yes, they've given us some basic details that the CLB level is going to be 4, the highest education is high school diploma, they need relevant experience, they need relevant education, but they never mentioned when this program is going to be implemented, whether there will be a quota to this certain program or not, when they will accept the applications, whether it's going to be the same way like before. First January of each year. We are not sure about that yet. We're not sure what the employer requirements are going to be, whether there are any income requirements, whether there is any obligation to work with the employer after getting the permanent residency. So no, we do not know anything about this program yet. So please, it is an urge, do not start any applications, do not pay anybody to start this application yet. This program details will shortly be announced, but starting anything at this point it does not make sense. It's meaningless because the program requirements are yet to be announced. Once they do, we'll definitely keep you guys informed, but as of today, no, you cannot submit this application, you cannot prepare this application. All you can do is do some background paperwork, that is the WES, the IELTS exams. That is something that you can do as of now.